Good morning everyone. Today we will gonna read our chapter 24, Home and Abroad from class 4. Let's start. Today there was a lot of activity at Malu's house. Chitappan and his family were coming home after 5 years. 5 years ago, Chitappan had got a job in the capital city of United Arab Emirates UAE called Abu Dhabi. Since then, he had lived there. Malu and her appa went to the airport to receive them. After the plane landed, the passengers had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. At last, Chitappan, Kunjama and their two children could be seen coming out. How big Santa and Sasi have grown. Appa said, soon the many suitcases and bags were fitted into the taxi and everyone was on the way to Malu's house. Santa, you must be very tired after your long journey. Appa told me that Abu Dhabi is far from India, said Malu. For the teacher, Chitappan, father's younger brother, in Malayalam, Kunjama, father's younger brother's wife in Malayalam. We are not tired, even though it is far. Our flight took only 2 hours, said Santa. The plane flies very fast. Malu was surprised. She remembered that when she had gone on a school trip to Chennai, they had spent almost 12 hours in the train, and on the map, Kochi and Chennai seemed quite near. Malu, Santa and Sasi chatted all the way home from the airport. Malu remembered how much fun she had on her school trips. She wanted Santa to tell them all about her trip from Abu Dhabi. Dust all around. Did you see many interesting things from the plane? Asked Malu. Most of the time, we saw only clouds because the plane was flying so high, even higher than the clouds, said Santa. But before it went so high, we could see that we were flying over sandy areas. It was sand, but the color of the sand kept changing. White, brown, yellow, red, black. We saw mountains made only of sand. They are called sand dunes. added Sasi.
Added Sasi.
I have seen sand
I have seen sand
only at the seahorse,
only at the seashore.
said Malu.
Said Malu.
Then you should come to visit us,
Then you should come to visit us.
said Chitappan.
Said Chitappan.
Home and abroad.
Home and abroad.
The countries around Abu Dhabi
The countries around Abu Dhabi
are located in a desert area.
are located in a desert area.
Even if one drives a little away
one drives a little away
from the city,
from the city,
one can see miles
one can see miles
and miles of sand,
and miles of sand.
no trees, no greenery,
No trees, no greenery.
just sand.
Just sand.
I used to dream of the thicky greenery
I used to dream of the thick greenery
and cool water
and cool water
around our home
around our home
in Kerala,
in Kerala.
said Kunjama.
Said Kunjama.
I am so happy
I am so happy
to see all this
to see all this
after such a long time.
after such a long time.
The children have almost forgotten
The children have almost forgotten
how it feels
how it feels
when it rains.
when it rains.
You know it almost never rains in desert areas,
You know it almost never rains in desert area.
said Chitappan.
Said Chitappan.
Water is really very precious
What is really very precious
over there.
over there?
No rain,
No rain,
no rivers,
no rivers,
no lakes,
no lakes,
no ponds.
no ponds.
Even below the ground,
Even below the ground,
there is no water.
there is no water.
But,
But
added Sasi,
added Sashi,
there is a lot of oil under the sandy soil.
There is a lot of oil under the sandy soil.
So petrol is easily available
So petrol is easily available.
in these countries.
in these countries.
In fact,
In fact,
petrol is cheaper than water,
petrol is cheaper than water.
said Chitappan.
Said Chitappan.
By this time,
By this time,
the taxi had reached Mallu's house.
the taxi had reached Malu's house.
Santa and Sasi
Shanta and Sasi
were surprised
were surprised
to see so many fruit trees,
to see so many fruit trees,
coconuts,
Coconuts,
bananas,
bananas,
jackfruit,
jackfruit,
papaya,
papaya,
betel nut,
butternut,
so many kind of trees,
so many kind of trees.
Sasi said.
Sasi said,
We used to see only
we used to see only
one kind of tree there,
one kind of tree there,
the date palms,
the date palms,
because it is the only one
because it is the only one
that can grow in the desert.
that can grow in the desert.
The date is the most common fruit.
The date is the most common fruit.
Nice gifts and photographs.
Nice gifts and photographs.
After they had met everyone,
After they had met everyone,
Kunjama unpacked their bags.
Kunjama unpacked their bags.
They had brought gifts for everyone.
They had brought gifts for everyone.
They gave dates
They gave dates
for everyone to eat.
for everyone to eat.
The dates were very sweet and tasty.
The dates were very sweet and tasty.
Sasi showed Mallu some notes
Sasi showed Malu some notes
and coins.
and coins.
Santa explained that
Santa explained that
the money they used
the money they used
in Abu Dhabi
in Abu Dhabi
was different
was different
and was called dirham.
and was called dirham.
It had some writings
It had some writings
in their local language,
in the local language,
Arabic.
Arabic.
They also showed
They also showed
many photographs
many photographs
of the place
of the place
where they lived.
where they lived.
Chitappan gave Mallu
Chitappan gave Malu
a globe.
a globe.
He said,
He said,
Mallu,
Malu,
why don't you locate Abu Dhabi on this?
Why don't we look at Abu Dhabi on this?
Locate Kerala also.
look at Kerala also.
The children enjoyed playing with the globe
The children enjoyed playing with the globe
and looking for different places on the globe.
and looking for different places on the globe.
Mallu found Chennai
Malu found Chennai
and Kochi also.
and Kochi also.
In the evening,
In the evening,
everyone sat in the veranda
everyone sat in the veranda,
enjoying the breeze
enjoying the breeze
and looking at the photographs.
and looking at the photographs.
They saw that
They saw that
in Abu Dhabi, the buildings were tall, with many stories, and big glass, windows. Malu said, you must be getting nice cool breeze through the big windows. Chitappan said, we cannot open the windows because of the heat. It is air conditioned inside. Home and abroad, where everyone stays, as the weather is very hot, people wear loose cotton cloths and keep themselves fully covered. Even the head is covered. This protects them from the strong sun. Malu enjoyed looking at the pictures and finding out about the other country from her cousins. She constantly kept comparing her city with the things that they described about Abu Dhabi. She decided that she would make a project report about Abu Dhabi for her class. Discuss and write. You can also make a small report comparing Abu Dhabi with the place where you live. You can use some of these points mentioned below. While writing the report, you can also draw pictures or put photographs. The climate and weather, the trees and plants, the traffic on the roads, kind of vehicles, the common food items, what people wear, the kind of buildings, the language. What do you think many trees cannot grow in desert areas? Do you have any relatives who live in another country? Looking around, how long have they lived there? Did they go there for studies or for work? Was there any other reason? Look at these currency notes. Write the value of each note in the box near its picture. Home and abroad. To which country does this currency belong? How did you know? Whose picture can you see on the notes? Can you find any number on the notes other than the value? Do you think that two notes can have the same number? Take a 10 rupee note and observe it carefully. How many languages can you see on the note? Write the name of the bank given on the note. Match the coins. How many of these coins do you recognize? What is written on each coin other than the value? Look at these notes. Do they all belong to India? Put a circle around notes that are not Indian. Find out which country do they belong to.